Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can remove a notification virus like tabulats or like that things on your Motorola E32s. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that on your home screen, or if you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification virus. And we can try to remove it by two ways: by the Google setting, by the system settings, and by the antivirus application. So we will start from the system settings. So open the settings, then go to the apps and look for the CL apps. Now check that all of the apps on that list for that check that you have any advanced software, the application that you have not installed before, just something strange. If you see something like that, tap on it and choose uninstall. Then click OK, and that's it. Then after that, go to the all apps again and look for your web browser. Now choose storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Then tap on the clear all data and configure it by OK. And after that, your web browser should be free from notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. I am always using Avast, but of course you can try to use another application. But remember to choose trusted company. So after that, we have to open the Avast application, close this ad, and again close the ad. Then tap on the continuous free and choose start scan. Now tap on the allow and you have to grant permissions for the files. Then go back and choose your scan type. I will choose the regular one, it's faster. And after the scanning process, all of the malwares, the notification software, the viruses will be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.